Is your iPhone standby mode not working after the iOS 18 update? This handy feature is perfect for transforming your iPhone into a smart display, but glitches can sometimes stop it from functioning correctly. Let's go through the steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Solution 1. Enable standby mode. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap standby. Toggle the standby switch to on. Solution 2. Ensure your iPhone is in landscape mode. Standby mode only works when your iPhone is in landscape mode. So, place your iPhone sideways on a supported charging dock or a stand while charging. Solution 3. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, just install it. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Confirm when prompted. By following these steps, you should be able to fix standby mode not working issue on your iPhone. If the video helped you solve the issue, smash that like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.